Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Ava, a professional psychologist. I hope you will be fine. Today we will talk about what is psychology and how does it affect mental health. I daily upload psychological related topics videos. If you are interested, you can subscribe to my channel. Let's start our today's topic. Psychology is the study of the human mind and is the basis for many forms of mental health treatment, particularly psychotherapy. Psychology plays a role in our behaviors, emotions, relationships, personality, and much more. Explore the various types of psychology, their history, and the major theorists behind them, and apply this knowledge to your own mental and emotional well-being. How does psychology affect mental health? Many psychological factors, such as mood, stress levels, emotions, and coping mechanisms, can affect our overall mental wellness on a daily basis. Additionally, psychological disorders like depression or schizophrenia can have a long-term impact on our health and wellness.